The BMW navigation system can be displayed as a split screen to allow for additional guidance content. The arrow display feature on the split screen will show your next turning advice and helps call out what action needs to be taken by the driver. It will display simple turns and offer a detailed map for highly complex maneuvers. In addition, when driving on interstates and highways, it will display junction views, which will generate realistic road signs to help show the driver when they need to exit from a highway. To set up a split-screen display, go to the navigation menu, press Option, and then check the box for Split Screen. To change the split screen content, slope the controller to the right and select Split Screen Content. A list of options will be displayed. These options show you what can appear on the right side of the screen, separate from the map, which will be displayed on the left side of the screen. Scroll to Our Display and check the box to activate. Press down on the controller to save the selection. When Arrow Display is selected, it will always be shown on the right side of the screen, regardless of what's being displayed on the left side. And you can also use the voice command system to turn split screen on and off. Press the speech button on the steering wheel and say Split Screen On or Split Screen Off.
Split screen off.